Okay guys, so let's get started. So here's our old rocker there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the vise. And I'm going to get my 13/16. Now you're going to notice there's a flat spot right here. This side's flat as opposed to this side's more rounded. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be using the on the flat side is going to be my side that I'm going to push it out on. So the open end of the 13/16, put it in there, open her up, and then I'm going to get my 9/16, put it on this side. I'm just going to snug it up a bit, line everything up perfectly. Okay, make sure it's all lined up there. There we go. Okay, you can see you're just going to hear a little pop, and that's going to be right there. Okay, so as you can see, I have now popped the bearing out, and there goes the needle bearings. Alright, that's what we worry about. There's the old trunnion. Okay, get rid of all those. And the other bearing all came out right out the bottom. So it is cleaned out on both sides. So usually what I do is just give it a little bit of a wipe down. Okay, and then I get my new parts. So now we're going to be installing these new bearings, and the important thing is, again, I'm going to install it a similar way that I took it out, but the important thing is these bearings have writing. You want the writing out. Okay, so open up my vise. I'm going to take the flat end of my 13/16. Make sure it's all lined up. You want it to go in straight. There we go. You can see it going in nice and straight, and you want it flush. There we go. Okay, so there's that bearing in, writing on the outside. So ready to go on the other side. So now I'm going to get my trunnion. And the trunnion, I'm just going to pop it in there gently, and that's the side now that we have to put the bearing, right? We have the bearing here, we need the bearing on this side. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so to do this now, I'm going to take my 13/16, put it here, and I'm actually going to use 2 supplied washers. Okay, 2 supplied washers are going to go on this side. I'll open this up, line everything back up, just like that. Make sure everything's lined up before you do anything. There you go. Just pushes it right in there. Now what I like to do is when I'm done, I like to check the actual play in there. It seems to be reasonable, and I want flush. So this side's flush, this one's just sticking out a bit. Usually what I'll do with something like that is I'll take my 9/16 that fits just the outer edges of the bearing, line it up perfectly, bring it in slowly, and all I'm after is just to give it a little bit of an extra serious just to get it inwards flush. And that's flush. Push on both ends. play. A little bit of play back and forth is normal. Even the factory ones have that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the washer. Washer goes on. I'm going to take my clip tool here, C-clip, and just put it, these little grooves in the trunnion, you just got to line up to. And with something like this, just be ever so careful and make sure they do pop in. I have a little flathead screwdriver that I make sure that they're in. Okay, same thing here. Washer on. Retainer clip. Just make sure they stay on. There she goes. You can tell when they popped in. And like I said, I always use a flathead screwdriver. Just make sure they're in there. Just give them a little tweak on the edges. Oh, they're not popping off. There you go. That's it, folks. So that's how we install the version 2 Brian Tooley trunnion kit in our factory rockers, and they actually give us a new fastener for the top, and it's ready to be installed. Alright, please subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks for joining me, and keep watching for some new videos because the project's coming along. I've got my cam, I've got some other parts ready to go into the motor, so I'll be posting some new videos as the motor's getting built. Alright, enjoy your day.